It's party time!
I love these guys.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. On the way to the ring, at a combined weight of 492 pounds, the NXT Tag Team Champions, Montez Ford and Angelo Dawkins. The Street
Hey, Corey, let me see your
Profits.
swag.
Byron, I didn't think it was possible, but you saying what you just did somehow make Dawkins and Ford less cool.
Can you imagine all three of us walking into a club, cutting a rug or two? I can.
Byron, you're humiliating yourself.
Look, I am in with the Street Profits. Angelo Dawkins.
You're not, Byron. You're making them less money right now. The Street Profits want nothing to do with you. These two dudes are legit. They're incredibly talented, they're tough, and they know how to have a good time that doesn't involve a bicycle museum.
I even feel like dancing.
Montez Ford is one of the best dressed guys in all of sports entertainment, and coming from me, that means something.
Byron, how big is this match for these two teams here tonight?
Well, Michael, the tag team division is white hot right now. So while a win will obviously be huge, I can tell you that a loss would be absolutely devastating. Given the competition right now, a loss tonight would be a huge setback.
And his partner, from Rutherford, New Jersey, weighing in at 225 pounds, Steve Culver.
We're just moments away from this huge tag team match, guys.
And I don't think I've ever seen these four superstars more motivated than they appear to be heading into this one, Michael.
Here we go, folks, as we kick off this tag team match.
Doesn't get any better than this. We're about to witness tag team action at its finest, fellas.
Here we go.
Oh, man.
When a superstar is in a tag team match and has endured heavy amounts of punishment, they must find a way back to their corner to tag their partner. Something that they have to try is doing create separation between them and their opponent. That space gives a superstar the ability to move and catch their breath.
Oh, debilitating elbow drop.
Byron calf crushers in.
Cinched in, nowhere to go.
Corey, you touched on this before. Part of a tag team's ability to be successful is their ability to endure punishment and make their way to their partner when they need to tag out. One way to do that is to create that separation you spoke of so they have some space to gather themselves and time to make their way back to the corner.
You're absolutely right, Michael. What's the use of having a tag team partner if you're not able to get to them when you got to tag out of the match? Getting that separation is key in breaking any momentum your opponents could have, maybe the difference between a win and a loss, maybe even more.
He's looking a little weary here. If they want to win this match, he really needs to make a tag soon.
If you told me heading into this match that he was going to absorb so much punishment, I would have called you a liar. especially you, Saxton. But then again, I never believe anything that comes out of your mouth.
Well, I hate to sound so negative, but his chances of winning this match look incredibly bleak right now.
He misses the dive.
And unfortunately for him, there was no water in the pool.
That should do it. In a tag team contest, a superstar and partner lock up against another duo. Unless there's a special stipulation added to the match, the traditional rules of a singles match apply in terms of winning the match via pinfall, submission, countout, or disqualification.
Oh, nasty impact.
Look at this. Boom. Nice. In a standard tag team match, one competitor is in the ring against an opponent, and their teammate is in their corner standing on the ring apron. I should also point out that the competitor in the ring, as far as the referee is concerned, is the legal man. Only the legal man can attempt to score a fall over an opponent or be defeated by an opponent.
In a tag match, when a superstar tags...
Angelo Dawkins is getting ready.
Oh, what impact.
And he's got a count.
And there's the breakup, just in the nick of time.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Uh-oh.
I'm afraid to think what's going to happen next.
Oh! Sharp drag. Gets out of the way of that one. Uh-oh. The back breaker. He's left wide open here.
I don't think he even realizes it. He looks dazed.
This is about to get bad.
Big elbow.
The end may be near, folks. His outlook is not... There it is. The tag has been made.
Oh, he needed that in the worst way, Michael.
He's too quick for him there.
And look at the quickness by Montez Ford.
Nailed it.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
DDT.
Lights out.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
Montez Ford has to take advantage now.
When you talk about great tag teams, we can go all the way back to teams like the Tolos brothers, Stevens and Patterson, Stevens and Bockwinkel, the Texas Outlaws, the Briscoes, the Blackjacks, the Andersons, and the list goes on and on. When you're part of a tag team, the two partners have to travel together, train together, eat together, and be completely in sync with one another.
Tag team competition dates back all the way to the early 1900s. Corey, you mentioned some of the classic duos from sports entertainment's incredible history. In today's WWE, the tag team scene has never been more competitive. I don't know who has the edge when it comes to talent. And here's Montez Ford.
Frog splash. That has got to be it.
That one fails to connect.
Great idea by him. Too bad it was awfully executed, though.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Reverses that one.
So much damage inflicted.
Tagged in.
In order to be a premier tag team, a superstar and their teammate must have that continuity where they're a well-oiled machine.
Oh my DDT! Spiked him.
Just when you thought he had nothing left. Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's looking at it.
Harsh impact.
That might have done it, Cole.
Corey, a few moments ago, you took us through what it takes for a tag team to be successful. Continuity between tag team partners is crucial. When a team is able to keep one opponent in the ring for an extended period of time without making a tag, they're able to focus their attack on one individual and one body part.
And that's when things really start to take shape if you're on the tag team that's in control of the match. When you look at the tag teams who've dominated this business,
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
oh boy, he is rolling. There have been times in sports entertainment when unlikely duos have formed and over time they develop and bond and become an outstanding tag team combination.
Oh my God, what a DDT.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
It gets more and more impressive each time we see it.
I don't think anyone thought Cesaro and Sheamus would develop into a premier tag team. Over time, the superstars realized that they were better as allies than as enemies. And when they combined their incredible strength, the results were something that couldn't be ignored.
It was really unbelievable to witness the evolution of Cesaro and Sheamus as a team. We saw them improve every week and conquer a variety of opponents. To see the Swiss Cyborg and Celtic Warrior go from unwilling partners to WWE Raw Tag Team Champions was truly impressive.
Oh boy, he is rolling. For many years, members of the WWE Universe and...
Here he goes.
You gotta believe this one's over. Here's his moment, Michael. Angelo Dawkins just too quick.
Byron, earlier you raised a point that people have been talking about for years, and that's a second referee being appointed to tag team matches. I remember WWE Hall of Famer and former WWE President Gorilla Monsoon used to express his strong advocacy for two referees being appointed to tag team matches.
It's something that's been talked about for decades, Michael, and I don't think it's ever going to happen. We've seen it on occasion, but I think it's best to let the superstars be responsible for themselves. And the appointed official for the match needs to do the job they're paid to do. I don't think it's that much to ask.
Comes in off the tag.
Another great tag team match here tonight. I don't think the tag team scene has ever been hotter here in WWE.
Oh boy, he is rolling. And look at the quickness by Montez Ford.
Oh, nasty impact.
To tear the features clean off your face.
He's going for it all.
He might have it.
Look out, frog splash. But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
Ooh, what impact. Tagged in.
Over the last few years, the tag team scene in WWE is hotter than it's ever been. One of the teams that has shined brighter than any other is the New Day. Xavier Woods, Big E, and Kofi Kingston are two-time tag team champions. But it was their second reign that put the New Day name in WWE history books forever.
Took him out at the knee. The tag team competition right now is as heated as it's ever been since Angelo Dawkins is getting ready. Can he finish the job?
What a tag team display.
Here are your winners, Montez Ford and Angelo Dawkins, the Street Profits.
That was a big pinfall victory right there.
What we just saw there was a doctorate class in tag team competition. They just took the game to a whole other level.
I'd be curious to see how this win impacts the rest of the tag team division.